Hello there, we're on the odd USD here with a textbook reversal in the making. Genesis Elite is pointing out a OneTouch or a sideways high-low with an 82.05% probability of success. So we're going to shoot for a short-term 5-minute. You have the option of going OneTouch, but short-term 5 minutes fine too. So $2,500 invested here in this high odd USD option here for 70% return. Reversal levels are key when using Genesis Elite because they show you the highest probability moves that could ever possibly materialize on short time frames. So we're going to pause now and come back to you with the results. Okay, we're back with roughly 50 seconds remaining on this trade here on the Aussie dollar versus the US dollar. Prices held up very nicely above the entry point, which was taken at the high strength boundary in the reversal zone. Classic textbook Genesis Elite trade setup where you have price breaching and being rejected by a high probability reversal level shown to you by Genesis Elite. With roughly 30 seconds left in this trade, price is now basically trending above the entry level very nicely before possibly escalating further along. And since it's held up strongly above the high strength but hasn't really escalated yet, we have ourselves an opportunity to go even longer. So we're probably going to wait for this to expire and then take another trade, because if price doesn't shoot away long, then we still have some of that probability left to exploit. As you can see, it's fairly high at the moment, 78.21%. Anything above 70% is considered high probability. Let's have a look at the chart again. Shortly, this has expired in the money now at 2015, 4,250 gross return with a net profit of $1,750 on this 5-minute high binary option. So price is now beginning to escalate towards the medium strength, so we're in a good position to follow it for at least 5 minutes. So we're going to take another odd USD trade here on the 5-minute time frame, go high again, $2,500. And even if price were to retrace, we know that we have very high probability boundaries adding support to price at the bottom. So this, again, is a high probability trade in our favor. So we'll come back to you shortly with the results. Okay, we're back again. This option expires at 2021. It has expired in the money, and look at what's happened. Price has bounced right off of the high strength, gone down to highest strength in a retracement, but again, that's the beauty of a Genesis Elite reversal level, that price was immediately rejected and catapulted back into the money because of that strong zone. We took our entry at the high strength, highest strength adding support at that point. Price tried to retrace, went down, got shot up again, straight back into the money for a successful trade yet again here. Thank you.